So this right here is the device. This is the analyzer that Keeling built to build the Keeling curve. So that atmospheric CO2 goes up and up every year, follows this pattern. We put it on posters, we put it on plaques. It made this place famous. We get lots of tourists coming up here all the time to see the Keeling curve. So this device here is a lot of fun. It was based on vacuum tubes and a lot of old other 1950s technology. So it would pull air into a reference sample, and if there was more CO2 in that sample, you would get absorption of some infrared light. So it shined an infrared light, kind of heat through one of these columns, and look how much light got through. The less light, the more CO2, the less light that would get through, and the answer would get put on this strip chart. For a long time, we had graduate students whose job it was to look at time whatever and chart that out, and eventually it produces this pretty plot right here. This was supposedly one of the most annoying instruments up here, super finicky. Vacuum tube powered. Vacuum tubes burn out a lot. This one's burnt out. It had scrubbers and things, and there's a book somewhere up here about Mauna Loa that has like a whole couple chapters devoted to the technicians being upset about having to work with this instrument. Somewhere along the way, a commercial outfit miniaturized it. So these two ran together for a couple decades, producing the same measurement. They gave identical answers. You know, it was nice for the science. So this was how they ran. I don't remember when this one got turned off, but this was the sensor that was used to measure the CO2 until relatively recently.